5 reasons why ginger will change your life. Did you know that something as simple as ginger, which you probably have in your kitchen right now, could be a big help with some common problems that come with getting older? In this video, we're going to share 5 amazing benefits about ginger that are really making a difference for people over 50. Are you excited to find out about this incredible helper that's even surprising doctors? Before we start, I'd like to know, do you include ginger in your daily routine? Leave your answer in the comments. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to Vitamin Vitality, where we discover the secrets to a healthy life. Number 1. Ginger is awesome for your tummy. Ginger is a superstar in both cooking and old-school healing, and it's especially great for your stomach. It's been used for hundreds of years to help with tummy troubles. Ginger has special stuff in it, called gingerols and showgirls, that help calm your stomach. They're really good at easing queasiness, heartburn, and puffiness, which can be a bigger deal for people over 50. Gingerols get your digestion moving, helping food and stuff pass through your gut more smoothly, so you don't feel stuck or uncomfortable. Showgirls are like a chill pill for your insides, cooling down any irritation. Together, they make ginger a must-have for a happy belly. Plus, ginger isn't just about quick fixes. It's great for your digestion over the long haul. It helps keep the good bacteria in your gut happy and acts like a natural booster for your digestive health, making it super important for keeping your gut in top shape as you get older. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger is a superfood noted for its star compound, gingerol, known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. This compound acts as a protective shield in our body, especially beneficial for those over 50, helping to soothe sore joints and fight inflammation at the cellular level, particularly useful for those suffering from conditions like arthritis. Incorporating ginger into your diet not only enriches our meals with its unique flavor, but also represents a step forward towards a more active and pain-free life. It's an invitation to keep our joints healthy and flexible, allowing us to enjoy every movement without restrictions. So, if you ever find yourself dealing with stiffness or discomfort, consider ginger as your ally in the fight against inflammation. Integrating this miraculous spice into your diet, whether sprinkled on your dishes or as a comforting tea infusion, can unlock its therapeutic benefits. You'll appreciate the relief it brings to your body, and you might just be convinced that aging is merely a number when you have ginger on your side. Number 3. Supports the immune system. As we hit the 50 mark, our body's natural shield against sickness starts to get a bit weaker, making us more prone to catching colds and other bugs that can really throw a wrench in our plans and affect how we feel. But here's where ginger comes in, like a superhero. It's packed with stuff that fights off germs and is loaded with antioxidants, which are like the body's personal bodyguards, helping to keep our defenses strong and ready to fend off any unwanted guests. And ginger isn't just about keeping the sniffles away. The antioxidants in ginger are also on a mission to battle free radicals, tiny troublemakers that can lead to a bunch of health problems as we get older. By making ginger a regular guest in our meals, we're not just spicing things up in the kitchen. We're making a smart move for our health down the road. For anyone over 50 looking to give their immune system a tasty boost, ginger is a fantastic choice. Number 4. Supports cognitive health. As we progress on life's journey, our brain, the commander-in-chief of our being, may start to require a bit more attention. Here is where ginger, with its bold flavor and rich history in traditional medicine, emerges as an unexpected ally. It's not just a spice that adds a touch of warmth to our dishes, but also a guardian of our mental agility. Emerging research sheds light on ginger's potential to act as a neuroprotective shield, protecting our precious neurons from the ravages of time. The bioactive compounds in ginger, such as gingerols and showgirls, are believed to play a crucial role in inhibiting inflammatory and oxidative processes in the brain, processes often at the heart of age-related cognitive disorders. This ancient spice could, therefore, be a key piece in the puzzle of keeping our minds as sharp as our wit. But ginger's promise for our cognitive health doesn't stop there. By stimulating blood circulation, this spicy root ensures that our brain receives a steady supply of the nutrients and oxygen it needs to perform at full capacity. Imagine yourself enjoying a cup of ginger tea, not only delighting in its flavor, but also nourishing the depths of your intellect. Thus, ginger becomes not just a spice for our dishes, but a seasoning for our minds, helping us maintain clarity, focus, and cognitive vitality throughout the years. Number 5. Aids in blood sugar regulation. Maintaining an optimal balance in blood sugar levels becomes more complex as the years go by, especially noticeable from the age of 50. This is where ginger emerges not just as a spice that enriches our meals, but as a true companion in glucose management. Its contribution to a healthy lifestyle is particularly valuable for those facing the challenge of type 2 diabetes, offering a natural approach to supporting metabolic balance. Research suggests that ginger can play a significant role in improving insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for the effective regulation of blood sugar. This spice's ability to modulate glucose levels not only helps stabilize energy throughout the day, but can also prevent long-term complications associated with blood sugar imbalances. Thus, every intake of ginger is not just a culinary delight, but a step towards more sustained metabolic well-being. Exploring creative ways to incorporate ginger into your diet can open new doors to health and flavor. From sprinkling ground ginger on your dishes to savoring ginger tea or incorporating it into revitalizing juices and smoothies, the possibilities are as wide as your imagination. With ginger as an ally, the path to effective blood sugar management becomes a culinary adventure, supporting an active and balanced lifestyle. As we navigate the vast ocean of health and wellness, we often find ourselves searching for beacons that guide us towards safe harbors of vitality and balance. Ginger, with its rich history woven into the traditions of countless cultures, emerges as one of those luminous beacons. It's not just a spice to enhance our dishes. It's an invitation to rediscover the natural riches that can transform our health in profound and surprising ways. Ginger is not limited to the kitchen. Consider starting your day with a cup of ginger tea, warming your body and awakening your senses. Or perhaps add ginger to your lemon water for a refreshing detox twist. Even ginger can be your companion in creating exotic dressings that will transform a simple salad into a culinary adventure. This journey through the benefits of ginger reminds us that sometimes the most potent solutions to our health and wellness challenges lie in nature's simplest gifts. It invites us to look beyond the conventional, to embrace ancient wisdom, and to integrate it into our modern lifestyle for a well-being that is as comprehensive as it is holistic. As we close this chapter and perhaps prepare for a comforting cup of ginger tea, I'd like to know, were you aware of these ginger benefits? Do you use it often? Respond in the comments below and share your story. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to receive more tips and tricks on how to keep your body and mind in optimal conditions. Give it a like if you're eager to maintain your vitality, and share this video with your loved ones and friends. Together, we will achieve a better quality of life.